And here's his face and bandana. It looks pretty good, right? And here's the rest of his bandana and his spiky hair. Whoa, can you guys hear all the toys? Whoa, here's an Ugly Pets, a smaller egg, some Jake the Pirate stuff, Avengers, a bunch of blind bags and blind boxes. This is pretty cool. Let's start with this one since it fell out. We got the Ugly's Pet Shop, series number 1. Here's the checklist, and there's so many Ugly's pet. And there's even more on the back. I wonder which one we got. It's Funky Frog, and he's known to be super slimy. Ew! Check it out, guys. There's slime or goo coming out of his mouth. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And this one is called Not So Great Dane, and he's super sticky. Ew! Check it out, guys. There's a bunch of boogers coming out of his nose, and a long tongue sticking out of his mouth. Bloop, bloop, bloop. They're pretty soft and squishy too. These toys are pretty fun. Awesome! We got a treasure chest. On the front, here's Jake. But can you tell me the name of these other 3 characters? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Here's the little parrot that was on the treasure chest. He's green and he has a little bandana. Pretty cute guy. And he's sitting on top of another treasure chest filled with gold. Whoa! Cool! We got a Minecraft minifigure blind box, series number 3, the Netherrack series. And on the side, it shows you all the figures we can collect. We got a Steve with diamond armor and a diamond sword. This is pretty awesome. Kink, kink, kink. Trump, trump, trump. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, right? It's a Thomas and Friends Minnie's blind bag. Let's take a quick peek at the checklist. Whoa, there's so many trains. We got Dash, and he's a classic train. He's all orange, and he has orange wheels. And on this side, there's an emblem of 2 axes because he carries logs and wood to everywhere in the world. It's pretty cool. And check it out. There's a door to go in. Let's see if he still knows how to ride. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Yep, still working. Sweet! We got an Avengers Age of Ultron Mystery Minis blind box, and they're bobbleheads. And these are all the bobbleheads we can collect, and these are Hot Topic exclusives. Yay! We got one of the exclusive guys. This one is Black Widow in a blue suit. Isn't she pretty awesome? She's holding 2 batons, and those are her weapons. Cool, cool, choo, choo. And she's a bobblehead, so she'll shake. This will look awesome on your desk. Let's put her down. Cool! We got a DC Superheroes blind bag, and there's one surprise figure in each pack. It's the Green Lantern, and his real name is Hal Jordan. Here's his green ring, and his mask, and his cool body armor. Green Lanterns are protectors of the universe, and he's the one that protects Earth. Pretty cool, right? I am protector of Earth. Whoa, check it out, guys. It's a surprise egg, and inside is a Jake sailing adventure. Let's open it up. Here's Jake, and you can tell by the J on his boots. He's wearing a helmet, so he's protected, and his bandana's sticking out. Pretty cool. Let's check out his ship. Here it is, but it's also turned into like a scooter. That's pretty cool. And there's a flag on it, and there's a sail. I wonder how this works. Arrgh, where's the pirate treasury? Oh, it's over there. Ooh, hey, good job. Let's put the treasure on the boat and sail away. Awesome, he got the treasure. Now let's go hide it. This also came in the surprise egg, and it's Peter Pan. You can tell by his outfit, and it's all green, and he has his green hat on. And he has a wooden sword. Kya, kya, kya. Where's Captain Hook at? Kya, kya, kya. It's a Hot Wheels Mystery Models blind bag. And in each blind bag comes with one car and a sticker. Here's a sticker we got, and it's called Medieval, and it's all purple and yellow. Looks pretty cool. Let's stick it over here. Here's the car, and there's a driver in it, and on it, it has the number 37. Of course, it's all purple and yellow, and has some black tires, and these black and white checker marks on it. Let's see how fast it is. Vroom, 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 vroom. Pretty quick. Woohoo! We got a Pez candy dispenser, and it's of Jake. Here's the candy dispenser, and it's super cute. On the side, it says Pez. And here's Jake. He has his spiky hair and his bandana. If you pull it out, you could put the candy in. Let's try it out. Do you guys want to try cherry, lemon, or raspberry? Cherry? Okay. Now you just pull his head up, stick the candy in, and then push his head back, and bam! Candy! Give it a try, guys. Was it delicious? I hope so. Let's count and see how many toys we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got a Monsters Lego minifigures blind bag. Here's the checklist, and it shows you how to build it. Can you guys help me build it? Let's start with the lower body. Whammo! We got a zombie cheerleader! She looks pretty cool. She has her cheerleading outfit on and some pom-poms. Check it out. Give me a T. Give me an O. Give me a Y. Give me a S. What does that spell? Toys! Oh no! It's the villain, Captain Hook! You could tell by the hook in his hand. And also, his crazy outfit. It's all red, and he has a really big hat on. He doesn't like Peter Pan, so let's see if they want to fight. Hey, I've been looking for you, Captain Hook. I've been looking for you too, Peter. We defeated him, guys! Woohoo! Hip hip hooray! High five! Cool! We got a WWE dog tags, the Ringside Relic Edition. Here's a little trading card we got, and it's of Randy Orton. And on the back is a little biography about him. Randy Orton was born to be a superstar. His father is WWE Hall of Famer Cowboy Bob Orton, and his grandfather was the Big O, Bob Orton Sr. Randy, at age 24, became the youngest world heavyweight champion in history at SummerSlam 2004. Whoa, he's actually pretty crazy. This is awesome. Here's the dog tag we got of Randy Orton. Check it out, guys. You can tell by his face that he means business. I want to smash some chairs on people. And on the back is his signature. This is pretty neat. Cowabunga! We got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Collector's Keyring blind bag. It's Leonardo! You can tell by the L on his belt and the weapon he uses, and of course, his headband. Check out his turtle shell. It's pretty cool. Ching 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 ching. Where's all the other guys at? Have you guys seen them? No? Alright, let me go look for them. And we're down to our very last surprise, guys. Let's see what it is. It's another treasure that Jake left behind. Let's open it up. Ooh, it was the little kid that was in front of the treasure chest. Have you guys figured out his name yet? He has a blue bandana on, and his little hair sticking out, and he has red shorts and a blue vest. Alright guys, last chance. If you know his name, put it in the comment section below. And we're all out of surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was Steve with diamond armor and a diamond sword. Ching ching ching. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Toy Hunter, and I'm out.